All the way from Africa, bro. Yeah.
Well, how you loving the party?
Yes, and it's my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday!
Both one may come from me now. Pretty girl does a pose like dummy now.
It's great, honestly. How you enjoying the breakfast party?
I am loving it.
Really?
I'm having a good time. Came with my girlfriends. I would just say, summer, time to party.
What about Michelle?
I am waiting on Michelle, and that's why we scoot up to the front so that we can get to see him well.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm looking forward to Michelle. He's my favorite soca artist. First time going to a breakfast party? No. No. What do you love so much about a breakfast party? The food.
At a breakfast party, you're allowed to misbehave.
Just the team.
Soca Kingdom.
You win.
Soca Kingdom.
You know how we going. Let's go.
Who ready? We now start. Get ready there. Set a bomb start. Between on the way. We lining up. Ready to chat. Forward is not enough. I want you to jump up. Trample the ground now. We headed to downtown. Girl on the railing. So much woman are trailing. Follow the big song.
Michelle, back in Jamaica, but for a good cause this time around. What's the vibe like out there?
Beautiful, like family, like love, like, you know, the highest heights because people just smile and it's good weather. You get some sun, you get some rain, you get some wind, everything. And I mean, when you're doing something for a good cause and for the UB family, which I'm, you know, so closely connected to, I feel it's a Caribbean love, so you feel that energy in the music, and soca music represents unity.
I feel like you brought down the rain though, because we've been longing for some rain in here in Jamaica.
I always make it rain, baby. I always make it rain.
Start the wind up.
Time to show me a way.
An amazing party.
We will live here, man.